Strand Products is 100% employee-owned, and we provide design support and manufacturing services of things pertaining to mechanical wire, cords, and cables to industries and companies around the world. The majority of our revenue is in medtech, followed by aerospace, defense, and commercial and automotive. Before Plex, we were originally paper. And then we implemented an ERP system in 2004. It was a full ERP system, but we were managing 8 different programs to get the information we needed. Our 2 biggest pain points were not the traceability, weren't the digitization, wasn't necessarily visibility. We had those tools in place, but it was the way in which we were going about it. It was totally arduous. One had to be a database expert, an Excel pivot table expert, just to get any kind of meaningful information. The second pain point was that all of our analysis was retroactive. We had to wait until we closed the financial statements and then go back and look and see how we did. Was our costing accurate? Were our router times correct? Were we making money on these jobs? We knew that to continue to grow, we needed to carve a lot of that work out. And the only way to do so was by automating a lot of our IT infrastructure. And that's where we began our search. The main thing we were looking for is just continuity of information and instant access to everything by everybody. We just wanted total knowledge sharing. And in our research, we interviewed all the top competitors, from NetSuite to the Microsoft Dynamics. And it was actually through multiple recommendations of people that we knew that already been through the onboarding and were live in Plex that really solidified the deal for us. Because we work in so many different industries and ultimately we need to meet the needs of our customers, my biggest fear with an ERP system was that would it be able to do those things we needed it to do? I mean, truthfully, that's the biggest thing. It's like everybody's saying, yes, it'll work for you. But then here's another add-on. Here's another, you need to have all these modules. And we knew that wasn't the case with Plex. So the implementation far exceeded my expectations. Start to finish, we were about 6 months from our initial discovery, our initial trading with the subject matter experts. And then we went live 6 months later, and we haven't looked back since. We're a manufacturing company, and previously, when things would go to the production floor, into the clean room, it was a black box. We had no idea how long it took, what our costs were, what our scrap rates were, until things came out the other end. And now we have immediate real-time visibility. We know exactly where the variances are. We know what our costs are. Plex has enabled us to streamline communication. Everybody sees exactly where we're headed, and there's total transparency throughout the building. We would not have been able to do that without Plex. Strand Products is a med tech company, and working in aerospace and defense, material traceability is really important. So while our infrastructure was there, but we were spending time manually writing out check sheets, scanning these into the system, entering them in a log, and when we were generating certification packets, all of our customers are going to require, test certifications, mill certifications, inspection certifications. We had to go to 4 different logs, different areas on the file server, print things up, scan them to put together a cert packet. We were manually creating labels. So there were just a lot of opportunity for clerical errors, and those are essential quality non-conformances if they escape and arrive at our customers. So Plex has totally eliminated all of that. It's just allowed us to be a lot more creative, a lot more proactive in how we're running our business. And it's allowed us to realize better financial management, better operational execution in our business.